is up 2% year over year. We don't want to see those prices continue to go higher because that's the problem in selling new homes. Only the high end of the market where buyers have that ability to not be so bothered by higher mortgage rates. We saw it in Toll Brothers numbers. Their median home value is about $850,000. They're doing well. On the lower end of the market, though, not so much because buyers are hitting that affordability.
And so, like I said, it's not a worry to me because I do feel like these numbers are showing that the real estate market's cooling down and that, people can't afford these prices. And now that interest rates are going up, even more people can't afford it. And that's going to mean there's going to be lots of builders with all these nice build out properties and no buyers. So what does that mean? Fire sale for us. So, like I said, I would avoid real estate for the next year. I think it's going to be cooling. I do feel like if you're looking at this chart, crypto has been pretty stable, especially under 200 billion market cap. So I'm going to be buying as much crypto as I can in the next 3-4 months, depending on how much it dips, with the mindset of hopefully selling at a decent profit within a year or two and looking for cheap real estate assets if we really do get a crash in real estate prices. I don't know if it's going to be a crash, but it's obviously slowing down, and just do your own research in your own market. But I do see a lot of developments coming out, a lot of overbuilding, and wages haven't gone up. That's another thing you do want to watch, wages. If wages don't go up, a lot of these homes are not going to sell, and people are going to have to fire sell them, and we'll see. So it'll be a good opportunity. But continue to follow the market, follow this channel. We will be covering real estate, stocks, investing, and of course, my favorite, crypto. And let me know your thoughts, and I will talk to you soon.